LX Laser, your ultimate solution for laser cutting in Turkey. LX Laser, with 15 years of relentless innovation and development, proudly stands as a leading manufacturer in the field of laser cutting machines. As the top choice domestically and with a growing international reputation. Particularly among Turkish clients, LX Laser offers a range of compelling reasons to choose our machines. Turkey is a hub of industrial production, where clients often demand high-volume, efficient machinery. LX Laser's cutting machines boast an impressive maximum acceleration of 1.5 G, outperforming standard pipe laser cutters by 50%. LX Laser's machines provide an effective solution by offering full automation, from material loading and cutting to unloading, which previously required 8 to 10 workers but can now be accomplished by just one person, significantly reducing labor expenses. LX Laser boasts the industry's most extensive selection of laser cutting machine models. Our machines are suitable for cutting, punching, marking, and shaping various types of materials, meeting diverse needs, including cutting tiny 2 mm diameter pipes, standard 20 to 200 mm pipes, and massive 500 to 600 mm heavyweight pipes. Turkish clients demand high production efficiency and prioritize prompt service from their machine suppliers, aligning perfectly with LX Laser's philosophy. We have established a spare parts warehouse and an after-sales service center in Turkey to respond quickly to customer service requests and provide necessary components. LX Laser is the ultimate choice for Turkish clients seeking precision, efficiency, and automation in laser cutting machines. Join the ranks of satisfied LX Laser customers and revolutionize your production processes today. Contact us now to explore the possibilities.